The ingredients you'll need are a large family-size bag of frozen meatballs, about 32 ounces. You'll also need a cup of grape jelly and a cup of chili sauce. To add a bit of a kick and flavor, have a small white onion finely diced, about half a cup. And to spice things up, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a 1/2 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt will do the trick. Start by preparing the sauce. In your crock pot, combine the grape jelly and chili sauce. Stir these together until the mixture is smooth. Next, it's time to add some flavor. Stir in your finely diced white onion, cayenne pepper, and pink Himalayan salt into the sauce mixture. Mix these well to ensure all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Now, it's time to incorporate the meatballs. Add the frozen meatballs to the crock pot, making sure they are evenly spaced. Gently stir them to coat each meatball with the delicious sauce mixture. Cover your crock pot and set it to cook on low for 4 to 6 hours, or on high for 2 to 3 hours. The aim here is for the meatballs to heat thoroughly and the sauce to simmer and thicken slightly. Once cooked, the meatballs are ready to be served. They can be served hot as an appetizer with toothpicks, or over rice or mashed potatoes for a more filling meal. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.